Standing up for yourself and knowing that you don't have to fit into a certain box to be a part of something. It's definitely meaningful, and so you can just be you and don't have to prove yourself to anybody. My name is Kate Martin, and this is my Sephora story. I'm a professional basketball player. I play for the Golden State Valkyries. I'm grateful that I get to play basketball as my job. Growing up, my nickname was Crazy Kate, and so I was a little out of control, always very hyper, always wanting to play sports. I'm the youngest of three, so just been super competitive from a young age, and I have a lot of family members who coach basketball as well, so we were just always around sports. When I was little, I played tackle football with all the boys, and I was the only girl on the entire league. One girl, hundreds of boys, and so people thinking, oh, she's just a girl, she can't play with us, she can't hang with us, whatever. It's just like I always felt like I had to prove myself or show like, okay, well, girls can do this too, and I guess that's where my feminism came from such a young age without even realizing what I was doing. I always have connected with people. I've always had really great role models and really good friends in my life. Whenever I was little, I was very tomboy and I dressed cargo shorts every day, and so I got made fun of a lot as a girl dressing in that way, but I just wanted to be just like my brother, and I just really looked up to my dad, and I was like, I don't see what's wrong with this, and so I always wanted people to feel included. I always wanted people to feel welcome. I was always wanting to play against the older kids or play against my brother and the boys, and so basketball for me was kind of a no-brainer. Middle school, I started playing AAU, and I just fell in love with basketball. I loved it so much. My junior year of high school, my dream school offered me a scholarship, and it was kind of a no-brainer for me. I knew I wanted to go there and play for my dream coach, play for my dream team, and then I always knew I wanted to play professionally. I didn't know what level. I didn't know if I would get a chance in the league or if I would go play overseas, but I just stayed patient and I worked very, very hard and remained true to myself. And then I got that opportunity. I heard my name called on draft night and got to play in Las Vegas for a season, and now I get to play here in Golden State. I feel extremely grateful for every experience I've had, from when I was young, wearing, my dream school merch on my chest, to my professional career. And I've met a lot of cool people. I've learned a lot of really great lessons, and basketball has taken me to some really cool places. I think it's really important to hear people's stories, because once you get to know somebody a little more, you might have a little more empathy and you might not judge them as hard. Beauty means to me just kind of how you carry yourself, how you treat others. It's important that everybody feels beautiful in their own ways, and so beauty can be whatever you make it. Sephora is such an amazing brand because of their investment in women's sports. They really walk the walk, they don't just talk the talk. From helping us look good, feel good, play good, to just being there and supporting and actually investing in what matters. And I just think that is super special, and not all brands do that. Not all brands think that it's necessary, but Sephora really does, and it's been really cool to see, and we feel really, really grateful for it.